Let's quickly run through setting the time on a G Shock GA-700SE. Now, if we've just performed an AC reset after a battery change, we're going to want to make sure our hands are properly zeroed. So we're going to hold down the upper left adjust button, keep holding it until it says H set. Now, we're going to use the upper right button to go reverse and the lower right button to go forward. We want to make sure our hands are properly oriented at 12 o'clock. And then we can press adjust again. Now we can press adjust once more to set our time. First we have our time zone. Then we'll press the lower left button, mode, to go to our time. This is daylight savings time. Mode once more to switch between 12 and 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again to get to our seconds. Mode again to change the hour. It's 11 a.m. where I am. Mode once more to adjust minutes. It is 22. Mode once more to enter our year, 2025. Mode again to adjust month. It is April. And mode once more to adjust day. It is the 7th. Mode again. This will display key, or you can mute it if you don't want the watch to beep. And this LT is the duration of the light. You can do 1 or 3 seconds. Once we're done with that, we simply press adjust once more, and our watch will set itself to the correct time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this time setting tutorial was clear and to the point. Please be sure to subscribe if you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, and I will see you in the next one.